Today I'm ready to share another valuable thought to your life about happiness. If someone ever asks you what is the most valuable thing in your life, what would be your answer? Think for a moment. What can be your answer? You might get different types of answers for this question. Whichever you answer, through that you're trying to find happiness. Isn't it the only thing that you seek? So, whatever we say or do, happiness is the most valuable thing in our life. Indeed, how can we keep happiness with us? Most of the time, we try to seek happiness through others. But nobody can give us happiness except it's you who can bring the happiness to yourself because you're the only person who loves yourself most. According to the religious education, we do know that happiness is occasional in life. But honestly, what we really need to survive in this world is nothing except the happiness. Think for a while. What do we do when we are hurt? We recall it again and again and regret or suffer. No matter how long it takes, we are not ready to erase that dark memory from our mind. But what should we do instead? We should recall the happy moments and enjoy it. We tend to leave the happiness to pass so easily. We never try to live in the happy moments. Do you know? We should celebrate happiness. Exactly. That is what we should do. Give life to your happiness. Our happiness is always with us. Try to see your happiness. For a while, treat your life. Think about yourself than anybody else. Spend time with your loved ones. Buy something for yourself. Eat or drink whatever you like. Do something which makes yourself happy. Other than worrying about the entire world, do worry about your happiness. Give life to your sentiments. Do something which makes yourself happy and enjoy that happiness. Make sure your happiness is not out of others' pain. Stop the struggle with your mind. Leave aside what others tell about you. You are responsible for what you are and your decisions. Don't be late. Stay close to your happiness. Please do understand there is nothing so important to you than your own happiness. Be happy out of tiny things. These tiny reasons will definitely boost your life and fill your life with satisfaction. We don't want huge materialistic things to find real happiness. We cannot express how happy we are thanks to small things. And of course, you can't compare your happiness. Be yourself. Realize what is your real happiness. Make sure that it does not harm others. How lucky you are then. You must realize that your happiness is your own happiness. Enjoy it your own way. See how easy it is. If you do know who you are, happiness is not far away. It's really close to you. Make it yours because happiness is everything in our life.